The first thing you and your children do in the morning, right? You wake up, grab this, get on those social media apps. From depression, anxiety, and sadly, even suicide, several studies have proven the harmful effects social media has on our children.
Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, you name it, those apps are now fighting to stay on your child's phone. So as it stands, a Florida law would ban kids 14 and younger from having their own account. And later today, both sides are duking it out in court. Wink News reporter Camila Perez is live from Cypress Lake Middle School, where if this is passed, the law would impact many of those students. So Camila, obviously these companies don't want this, but what is their argument to actually try and change the law?
So Lindsay, their argument is that this new Florida state law would basically violate children's First Amendment rights. So basically their right to freedom of speech. And later today in a hearing, a association, a company within technology is going to be making that argument, or expected to make that argument. So just take a look at your screen, because the company is called the Communications Industry Association. The company CEO released this statement yesterday stating, quote, CCIA has forcefully demonstrated that this social media law infringes the First Amendment rights of both minors and adults by creating significant barriers to accessing online information that every American, including minors, has a right to see, and saying, quote, internet rationing law would just do that and be the state's unlawful attempt to police free speech. Now, if this law goes through, it will block anyone under 14 from using social media, which also means they can't create accounts nor have existing accounts, but it would allow 14 and 15-year-olds to use it as long as they have their parents' permission. Now, this law was scheduled to go into effect by the beginning of this year, and because of this ongoing legal battle, it's delayed it. So we'll just have to wait and see what comes out of this hearing, because it could change its trajectory. So for now, live in Cypress Lakes, Camila Pereira, Wink News.